Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Flashfood account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Flashfood account, firstly open your Flashfood application. The home page of Flashfood will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the screen. To log out of your Flashfood account, click on Logout option at the end of the drop-down options. It will log you out of your Flashfood account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Flashfood account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.